Hi, I'm Daisy. I work for the college, and today I'm going to take you from Cardiff Central Train Station to our main building on North Road. So I'm just leaving the station now. You're going to walk past the new BBC building, and then we're going to cross the road into the main part of the city centre. The walk to our building from Cardiff Central takes around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how quick you walk that is. There are so many different ways in which you can get to our building from the station, but I just want to take you on a little bit more of the scenic route, so ours is slightly longer. And we're approaching Morgan Arcade now. It's one of the many arcades that we have within the Cardiff city centre. They're all so beautiful and are home to lovely independent shops, food shops, cafes, you name it. So in some of your downtime, I really recommend going to explore these. On our right, we're just about to pass St David's Hall, so we do lots of different concerts in there with our music department. And then on the left, we have one of the newer buildings to the college, which is the old library. So we took over this building fairly recently, and we've already done some shows in there, but at the moment we're using it for rehearsal space for both music and drama, as well as a performance space. So keep your eyes out for more to come. And there is Cardiff Castle. We want to cross over to be on the same side as Cardiff Castle, and we're going to continue to walk straight up the main road. Did you know that Cardiff Castle was actually our original home? So before we had our own building, all of the college's activities were based within the castle grounds. As we're walking up the main road, on your left you have the park, which is absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend you go and have a nice little walk in there. And on the right is the City Hall, the Cardiff Museum, and some Cardiff University campus buildings as well. We made it! That is our Anthony Hopkins Centre, and here is the main building. So I'm going to take you through our main entrance just because it goes straight into our cafe foyer area and it's just so pretty. Home sweet home.